So we'll continue from where we left. We have those warnings here about unregistered markers, and we will address this using a file called pyproject.toml. Pyproject.toml is a configuration file that helps standardize and centralize the build configuration for Python projects. A typical pyproject.toml file has a few main sections, and on this page we can find more details about them. And if we scroll at the bottom, we find this sample from which we will start. So let's copy this. Back to our project. Here I have created an empty file called pyproject.toml. To validate and check the syntax of your PyProject file, you can use a TOML parsing library, or like in this case, we will be using this extension called Even Better TOML. Back to our file, I will paste the previous sample and remove the sections we do not need for now, and update the ones we need, just like this. To configure Pytest, we can use the tool.pytest.ini_options section. This allows us to centralize Pytest options without requiring a separate pytest.ini file. And here we can define our custom markers that are used by the tests. And in our case, we have that regression marker, which we define here. And back to the terminal, let's run again the previous tests. And as we can see, the warnings about the unregistered markers are no longer present. That would be for now. Thank you for your time and see you on the next one. Bye.